Yeah, I ain't got no food. Well, if you're tuning in, this is the last video. Now I'm gonna be power washing this. These are valve cover gaskets. This is nice and creamy. And if you get up, been working on stuff a while, you don't like working on stuff real greasy. There goes the power washer. Here comes some noise. Oil and grease don't taste very good. And when you get in your eye, well, your eyelids don't close even faster, so. You can see my face right now, it probably looks like I got freckles. A little bit cleaner. And if you got a mower that usually leaks, check these right here. These will come loose in the back over time. Just gotta screw it back in. Valve cover's a little bit cleaner to work on. Trying to get some oil out of my eyes. Now get time to start. Now the time to start on this. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Now it's time to get started on this. Something like that. This right here is your fuel pump. Pull that out of the way. Usually these get kind of brittle when they get old. Look, I looked out there. And I'm using a 3/8. If you ain't got one of these, get one. It makes it so much easier. Usually I'll drop the bolts. The old gasket, which is going to be like super glued on. Check the valve flash, that's out. That feels good. If these ever go out, I usually go 5/1000. That's the first. Usually it comes off little tiny pieces like that. Use a knife, but I use a flat screwdriver to pull some of the stuff off. Sometimes. Get some of this stuff off. Let them lay flat. Owie. It's being stubborn. Been on a while. There you go. You can also make these with gasket maker by just having to have the seals laying around. This side up. It's a joke, don't matter. Do this, maybe if I don't lose the bolts, so it won't walk around on me. Get it started anyway. Now you see why I cleaned the engine off, because that'd been a lot worse. Well, whatever goes in there sometime today. I could play some background music right here, right by now. I could sing. In case you got some neighbors over, you want to take off. I ain't standing there and listening to this dude. Take off. What you get that plane for? I got it started. Zoom this in a little bit. There's a lot of time. Snug it up. Now use the wrench to tighten it down a little bit. I don't know the torque specs, so I just do it till it feels right. Put this back on. It runs off the vacuum off your valves. It sucks in the fuel. Goes to the carburetor. Clean some of the oil off. Now do the other side. Wrong way. I didn't even try to stay on. Now so many pieces I can get this off in. Yeah, I was trying to do it one piece. Same spot again. Ow. Huh, just like my channel, nobody's watching. I hear the crickets singing. There they are again, and nobody's laughing at the joke. If I quit hitting my hand. Started thinking she got my knife if I could find it. If these are really out of whack, when they're supposed to be out of spec, I guess you call it, your engine will be hard to turn over, or sometimes hard to backfire if you got a bad cam. Mostly you turned over and if you got a good battery, it'll like catch like the starter's going bad. If I get junk back on it. What is it, buddy? What is it, buddy? You gonna watch me through this? Huh? Huh? Where you at? Oh, trying to get the cat in the picture. In case you're wondering, that was a knee. Mine are not that big. I'm talking about my chest muscles. Oh yeah, my help see what I'm doing. I need a Wonder Bro. I missed him taking the rest of it off. That was a good idea. Looks like I meant to do that. So don't subscribe to my channel or anything. I don't be rich and famous. How much women chase me. I'm too fat and old to run. Do the same thing on this side. got a bug on the backside. Get away. He's trying to go mining. He won't find gold, but he'll find coal. Should brought more of these. End's all slippery. At the end here, I'll get a picture of or a video of the cat. So I just stand here talking to myself. It was me going meow. Well, that's pretty much it. Now I do a little, we'll go wash my hands, get the oil off, and I do a little walk around. What the difference is this little power wash makes to work on something. Now this thing runs now when we licking oil, get on the pipe and make it smoke. I'll just put the oil on everything and makes it look like a new paint. All buttoned up. Just remember when you do this, make sure your butt crack's put up. You're gonna have a bug crawl down your crack. Thank you for watching. There you are.